That's crazy. That's pretty crazy.
All right, Ray Charles is at it again.
You know, 18-year-old me didn't know to look for that, okay? Howdy, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna be changing the head gasket on my 98 Turbo Civic. Many moons ago, I rebuilt the engine. It was actually the very first engine I ever rebuilt here, actually in the RCC shop when I was in the engine class, I don't know, 12 years ago, whatever. I did not torque the head down properly. I have ARP head studs, and I accidentally, being a young wee lad at the time, torqued them down to stock spec, not to ARP spec, so the head never sealed properly. I went back, retorqued everything, and it's been fine since, except for recently we've upped the boost, and it seems to be lifting the head on one particular cylinder, and coolant's creeping in. Now, no boost, no problem, but you know, I gotta have that boost. It's the whole purpose of the turbo thing, you know, right? So I want to go ahead and do a new head gasket. I'm also going to see kind of just how the engine internals are doing. It's been the first time I've torn it down or torn it open since I've rebuilt it. So I just kind of want to take a look-see and see how things are going anyways. I do have a block guard, so I want to make sure there's no complications going on there. So I'm gonna have y'all follow along with me. Let's do it. Let the surgery begin. Yeah. Part 1, done. My pep cop feel like that. Yeah. Ah! We got a squirter.
Nice.
Okay, I'm gonna come down. Oh, fuck. I need a short. Hey. Okay. Are you holding?
Yeah. Yeah, I see that. Okay.
Gotta capture that Serena Williams. Ah.
Ready? Yep. You want me to take it?
That is so crazy. That's it. That's crazy. That's pretty crazy.
All right, Ray Charles is at it again.
You know, 18-year-old me didn't know to look for that, okay? That's, I mean, you can see the imprint of the surface finish, but behold.
See, this one's blown between all cylinders, and number 1, you can see right there.
Boop, boop, boop,
Yeah.
boop, boop.
And then what would Daniel Powell say? Who's been machining his head? Ray Charles.
Stevie Wonder machined this head.
Stevie Wonder and Ray Charles machine shop again.
Let's
take a look. See if I can capture.
Yeah, get a close up of that. Oh, I'm gonna get my profilometer right now.
Get it. Whoever machined this doesn't believe in profilometers. I mean, I don't believe in them.
Get the hell out of here.
But I could do better with probably 60 grit. Look at that.
Oh.
Watch here. You can play music with it.
Ding, 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 ding,
I can
ding.
actually get my nails filed down a little bit here. Hang on a minute.
It's gotta.
Look at that.
Yeah, filed smooth.
Pretty good there, huh?
That is insane. Well, we're gonna get my fake profilometer, and
This can't
we're gonna
Look at
find
that
out.
surface.
Well, that's good to know, though. I can fix this.
How this thing was holding anything is amazing.
Amazing.
Look at this. Oh, this is amazing.
Are we going to take it back to Stevie Wonder's machine shop? Or?
He died.
He's dead.
Let's not speak ill of the dead. We won't name that.
That's incredible. Well, let's go take a look at this.
Look at them. They're all over the place. Look at this. And look at this. Look at the bubbles. Look at this. Look at the designs. This is absolutely beautiful.
We're gonna use this fake tool called a profilometer. Michitoyo. And this sweet, sweet tool uses this tiny little scratchy piece. So we are going to drag this over the surface. There we go. Of the cylinder head to show how coarse it is. Now, for MLS gaskets, we're usually looking at like a optimum RA of 20 to 30, very smooth. We're gonna put the profilometer on, walk away. No, we're gonna hit start. I'm gonna guess like a 70 RA. I don't know. I'm just shitting out numbers. It could be completely wrong. Maybe it's higher. This is bad. It's not good. It's an amazing feat that my head gasket ever sealed from the get-go. I was 19 when I built this motor, so please don't judge me. I didn't know what I was doing. Forgive me for I did not know. And the verdict. Oh my God! Even for a fucking old car. I'm sorry. That's crazy. I'll let this thing finish. We're looking at RA. Dude. Even for an old style gasket, this is not gonna work. Ray Charles definitely surfaced this head, but we're gonna fix it. So come with me to resurface it. Profilometer time, round 2. We just put this sucker on the surfacer. I am already quite happy visually with this beauty. Oh, so beautiful. Let's see what it is. I am really sucky at throwing out RA numbers. Obviously, I was so effing off with the last time. So I'm just gonna say we're at an RA of 20. Ideal would be 20 to 30-ish, smooth as hell. And 28. 28. I'm happy. I'm good. I'm good. Perfect. Tits. Perfect tits. Perfect tits.
With a perfectly proportioned ass to breast ratio.
All right. I'm gonna get this sucker off. I'm gonna blow all the fucking metal out of it and slap it back together and put it back on. That's all I have to say about that. All right, so I milled the head, changed the head gasket, got everything cleaned up. So now it's kind of the final steps. Hopefully we'll get this thing started soon. Behold. Turn it on. Blah.
Sound like it's black.
Your butt. Okay. I feel like in all card movies, like they only show this part. It's just when they're putting the turbo on. Remember in Tokyo Drift, they do that. Touching something? Yeah. Just want to make sure my wastegate's kind of touching.
You more shredded than a Julian salad, man.
It's
Heck,
gone.
what's the secret, dude? And diets. I mean, because I'm trying to come up a little, but it's tough. Ah, you're good. And the tips. What? And the tips you got?
Closer. What if I whacked it? Good old whacking. No, not a lot of space there. Okay, well, tried it. I could just put the, there we go. Should be enough. We'll use the nuts. This is clocked, right?
It really does. It can go anywhere.
Okay. Crazy like a fox.
You don't want to do that one?
No, that was from, I think, maybe condenser stuff.
No, that's from the timing belt.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Window. A little over half a quart low. All right, so all the heavy lifting's done, head gasket, all the shenanigans, cleaned up, ready to go, new trans fluid. We're on the dyno, we're gonna clean up the tune and see what she makes.
Yeah, there's no brake on. You should be able to roll. Looks really good. Something weird there around B.
Yeah.
That was even worse.
Oh God, what the heck? 60% duty cycle and 20% gain gives us.
Get something to plug into that.
Peaked at 13.8, probably more
Yeah,
gain.
it spiked up a lot higher, but it didn't really produce any more boost
Not really.
up top.
Let's go to like, what, 40% gain?
Yeah. Oh shit.
It died?